One exam. That's all that stands between you and a top college with a 60 lakh package. But let's be real. EAMCET 2026 is going to be the most important exam of your life. And looking at the last 5 years, the papers are getting tougher every single time. You can't just study, you need a proper battle plan. Presenting the Spark Academy Crash Course 2026. The #1 choice trusted by lakhs of parents and students. Daily classes of all subjects. Doubt clarification. Smart shortcuts. Solve in seconds. This is the best 40-day roadmap designed for you. We cover everything. Previous year questions, daily tests, and grand tests to make you exam ready. Complete online access. We don't just promise, we deliver. Look at these ranks. In 2025, our batches were full because our learning works. With best teachers and personal attention, we treat your dream like our own. We will take care of you. Our batches have been completely redesigned for 2026 to handle the new difficulty levels. Presenting you, VEGAM Batch 2026. Join now. Don't gamble with your future. Join Spark Academy today. Let's crack it together.